Good morning, students. This is part 4, Habitat and Adaptation, chapter 10. Today we will learn about adaptations in animals. Okay, let's start. Yesterday we have learnt about camouflage, adaptation to live in tropical rainforest. Next adaptation is choosing the perfect spot. Look. Many animals choose a particular habitat or level in the rainforest to avoid competition for resources. They choose. For example, a spider monkey lives in topmost part of the rainforest canopy, जो घना जंगल के सबसे ऊपर में रहता है, where there is less number of species and there is less competition of food also. So they live at that canopy, means just like an umbrella, canopy of trees, and this monkey lives at the topmost of the tree, so that they can at that level many animals don't go, so there is less competition also. Next is type of beak. Beak means chonch. Toucans have adapted. Toucans are just like a parrot type animal or bird, adapted by developing long and large beak. This adaptation allows this bird to reach fruits on branches that are too small or support the bird's weight. They have large beak so that they can reach up to there where a small beak birds cannot, because the branch is so soft that cannot support the weight of that bird. So here with the long beak they can take the food from there. So this is also a adaptation. Next, choosy eating. What is this? Some animals restrict themselves to the particular diet that is difficult to others to find. Like toucans and parrots have sturdy and hard beaks, okay, that help them to crack hard nuts and dig them up in the ground. जमीन भी खोद सकता है, और जैसे अखरोट है, तो they can just crack it down. Others cannot. Leaf cutter ant carry bits of leaf and bury them underground. Leaf cutter, they can cut the hard leaf and bury them underground. Later they eat the fungus that grow on these leaves. They just cut the leaf and bury means छुपा देता है under the ground into the soil, and when after some times bacteria and fungus grow on them, then they eat these leaves. That is here written. Leaf cutter ant carry bits of leaf and bury them underground, and later they eat the fungus that grow on these leaves. और जब उसके ऊपर फंगस ग्रो कर जाता है, उस फंगस को वो खाता है. So this is also a special type of adaptation. Others cannot. Next is conspicuous coloring. एक तो है camouflage, blend with the surrounding. Other is conspicuous coloring, means very bright color, so bright कि predator will fly away. जो आया था खाने के लिए ना, वो डर के मारे भाग जाएगा. Contrary to camouflage, contrary means just opposite of camouflage, some insects and snakes develop bright coloring and distinctive marks. उसके ऊपर बहुत अजीब तरह का उसके ऊपर मार्क्स होगा उसके बॉडी पर, that scare away predators. predators मतलब जो शिकार करने आया था वो भाग गया. तो this is also a adaptation to live, to survive in a surrounding in that habitat. And also is smaller size, very small size, दूर से कोई दिखेगा ही नहीं उसको. Rainforests are generally not suitable for larger animals because rainforest, too much of plant, too much of animal, तो they are very near to each other. तो बहुत बड़ा अगर कोई जानवर होगा तो दूर से दिख जाएगा. So small size जो है they are much more adaptive in this tropical rainforest. Rainforests are generally not suitable for larger animals since it causes hindrance in the movement among thick foliage. बहुत घना जंगल है ना, तो वहाँ पे बड़ा जानवर नहीं चलता है. Most animals found here are small and lightweight. Jaguars restrict their length to 6 feet. That allow them to move and hunt with ease. इससे ज़्यादा वो अपना बॉडी को नहीं करता है, बड़ा नहीं होने देता है वो. जबकि दूसरी जगह पे हो सकता है कि मे बी मोर देन 6 feet. Sloth is an animal and monkey are excellent example of light body mass. They are very light. So in here small size are more adaptive. Sloth is a animal just like monkey. Slow movement and physiology. Sloth, here again sloth comes. Sloth camouflage with very slow movement. They have also very slow digestion and takes around a month to digest the food. इसका क्या है, इतना स्लो मूवमेंट है इसका कि दे कैन सर्वाइव with less food also because digestion is also very slow and it takes 1 month to digest the food. Next is nocturnal habitat. Nocturnal means जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं ना निशाचर, जो रात में घूमता है. कॉकरोच है, कॉकरोच, रैट, they are nocturnal. Nocturnal means they hunt in the night. Hunting at night reduces competition. रात में बाकी सब जानवर सो जाते हैं, then they awake, ये जगते हैं. For hunting for many animals like bat, bandicoots, etc. Names है, names आपको याद रखना होगा. These also allow smaller animals to avoid predator. छोटा छोटा जानवर है तो उसको क्या है ना, रात के टाइम में उसको ना दूसरा कोई नहीं खा जाएगा क्योंकि वो तो सो रहा है. So nocturnal habitat. Look, here is a picture of sloth. Slow movement. पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि चल रहा है. And this is bat, nocturnal habitat. Bandicoot looks like Gilahri. Name is bandicoot. They are nocturnal habitat. So that's all for today. Just read the book, watch this video, and any problem ask me in the class. Thank you.